copy function. As mentioned before, this function enables you to copy a previously programmed day into another day. Starting from 0, turn on the thermostat, press and hold the on-off buttons and the down arrow at the same time for 5 seconds. When you release it, the day of the week will blink on the screen. Press the mode key several times until copy appears on the screen. Once copy is displayed on the screen, press the arrow keys to select the programmed day you want to copy. Then press the on-off key to confirm. After confirming, the word "to" will appear on the screen. By pressing the arrow keys, select the number of the day you are copying to. When completed, press the on-off key to confirm.